X-Trail makes out as the perfect family SUV. This TI model is packed full of features as far as safety is concerned, luxury is concerned, and all the way in between. My name's Sam from Hobart Nissan, and today I'll be running you through our 2021 Nissan X-Trail TI.
The Nissan X-Trail looks great from the front with its bold design and a chrome styling accents. You get full LED lights and LED daytime running lights, as well as Nissan's flush V-Motion chrome grille design to sit in the Nissan range. The X-Trail TI comes with fabulous 19-inch alloy wheels and integrated LED indicator lights on the mirrors. Around the back, the chrome styling continues, as well as the addition of rear sensors and a rear spoiler. You get an electronic tailgate that opens and closes by motion or by the press of a button, and a generous boot space of 565 litres with Nissan's hide and divide cargo system, or the option to put your seats down to give you nearly 1,000 litres of storage. The rear passengers will certainly be comfortable with reclinable rear seats in leather and of course rear air vents for extra airflow. Up the front you get some more comfortable leather seats for the driver and a very classy, well-designed interior with a very luxurious feel. You get features like a panoramic sunroof, dual zone climate control with heated seats, and a 7-inch touchscreen that allows Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. This can allow you to access Google Maps, your phone contacts, Spotify and other music software, and do things that you like doing on your phone in your car. The car also has access to intelligent around view monitor, which uses the car's 4 cameras to see what's around you. All TI X-Trails come with intelligent 4x4 with the option of 2-wheel drive, auto, or a lock in place for 4x4 on demand. You get a comfortable D-shaped steering wheel and multi-function steering wheel controls, including the option to cycle through your 5-inch advanced drive assist display in between your 2 dials. X-Trail TI is packed full of safety features, including intelligent emergency braking with forward collision alert warning to try and help avoid any crashes. The X-Trail also comes with lane departure warning and lane departure assist to keep you in the lanes to maintain safe driving. You also get the inclusion of intelligent cruise control that will maintain a distance between you and the car in front when in cruise, and even blind spot warning to make sure you don't run into any cars in your blind spot.
And there we have it, the Nissan X-Trail TI. If you'd love to inquire on one of these vehicles, give us a call on 6213 5460 or come down to Hobart Nissan to find out why more people choose to buy their new X-Trails from Hobart Nissan.